In Adobe Express, we can sometimes experience errors during download or even a failure to start download. In this video, we would show how to fix such issues when you encounter them. The first step is to duplicate the project file. In doing so, the original project remains unharmed, so we can start working on the duplicate copy. Once the project has been duplicated, we look into our second step, that is to check for blank files or thumbnails in the project. This would give us an idea where the problem lies within the project. Once detected, we would isolate this scene out. After isolating the scenes, which means basically to delete them, we would re-download the project. The project, let's say of 10 minutes, it would be downloaded into 2 halves of 10 mins each. Now we create a new project and place the 2 half downloaded projects. Once pasted and in sync, we finally download the project for a successful export.